Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the leaked Chelsea home shirt for the 24-25 season. This shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. Now kitmm, if it sounds familiar, the reason for being is they are some form of friends with kitgg.com. Because of that, I think it's fair to say that we can expect really good quality from these shirts. And the last one we looked at, which is the Ireland one, yeah, definitely was a really good one. So the shirt comes in a standard night bag. On the flip side, it does have the usual health warnings. I do also have a discount code for kitmm, which will save you some money off when you buy some of their shirts. And that discount code is in the description of this video. So make sure if you do decide to go and buy some shirts from them, you whack in the discount code to save yourself some money. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll also leave, if I can find one, a DHgate link to this shirt from my usual seller, because I know some people do prefer buying from DHgate. If you've got any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. What we'll do now is we will get this shirt out of the bag and we'll have a look at the Chelsea leaked home shirt for the 24-25 season from kitmm.com. Okay, here we are at the front of the shirt, and we've just got the standard collar that we've seen on most of the leaked Nike shirts this season so far, or next season, with the little cutout there. This is the player version, so the Nike tick has been heat pressed on. Actually, you can tell as well just by the texture of the material. Chelsea badge been heat pressed on, if you can see, but it's kind of embossed a little bit, so it is, some of it does stick up a little bit more than other parts. Shirt sponsor has been heat pressed on. That feels good. I always worry with the heat pressed on sponsors on these sort of material, but no, that feels like it's gone on nicely. Sleeve, it's got the little blue and the orange. I guess that's a throwback to been mid-90s when Chelsea had the orange shirt. Oh, and that continues down the side as well. At the bottom we have the engineered that we see on all Nikes with the product code. Oh, and if I do that, you can just about see my hand through the shirt, so you can get a feel for how lightweight the material is. And on this side as well, we have the same sleeves and the banding. Do like the design of this one, but we'll flip it around and we'll have a look at the back. Okay, we're on the flip side now. And the collar, it's got the same as on the front. It's got this little cut out, the indent. Not sure why Nike have done that, but so be it. I do like the pattern that's into the material, it's really nice. Obviously I've gone for no name or number or anything. It is the leaked shirt, as I mentioned, so, and to be fair, I tend not to get a lot of names and numbers on the back of shirts. Sometimes I will do. I do have one coming up actually that I've just got, which is a throwback for a France one. I've got an Argentina one. I'm guessing you can probably have a go at which players I've got on the back of those. But no, looks really nice. The drive for ADV, that's just like a little bit of heat pressed vinyl on the back. But if I do that, there you go, you can now see, really see how lightweight this player material is. But it does feel good, and actually you can see all the ventilation through it as well. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the inside too. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now. As I mentioned earlier, Chelsea badge has been heat pressed on, and that feels like it's kind of good. There's no bobbles or anything. Nike tick just there, and the shirt sponsor will be around here somewhere, which again, if I hold that out, you can see no creases at all. The only ones that are like down there is just where the shirt's been in the bag, so that's been put on really good. Look at what the join's like on the arm. Looks nice. Stitching all looks good. The player ones tend to have better stitching quality. I've got to say, no concerns with this shirt at all so far. Well, that engineered just about here, slightly folded, but all in all that's gone on nicely. Looks tidy as can be. I do like the player spec shirts, there's just something about them. I do prefer when I wear them, I actually prefer playing and wearing fan ones, but I do like the look of the player ones. Okay, it's the final part of the inside of the shirt. And it does say size XL, but as I've mentioned a few times, it's the player one, so the recommendation is always size up 1 or 2 sizes on player. Fan ones you can go like for like, but player ones definitely size up. It's got the standard tags that you get with these sort of shirts now. Nothing on this side really to call out because, as I said, there's no name or number or anything, which is what we tend to look for. We've got our washing instructions down here. Recommendation with these shirts is to flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting, and then when you let it dry, just let it hang dry, do not put it in a tumble dryer, and then you know your shirt will last a good amount of time. I've got shirts now that I've had, well, since I started this channel, and I do wear them quite regularly. And I wash them obviously regularly, and they're still in absolutely perfect condition. So it does show, if you look after these shirts, they will last. And there it is. There is our Chelsea League home shirt for the 24-25 season from kitmm.com. Really impressive shirt. I do love the design of this one. I love how Chelsea just keep it really simple, but it's really effective. kitmm.com are a new seller that I've been recently trying out. They are, I'm going to say friends, I wouldn't say collaboration, but friends of KitGG, and we all know how good the quality of those shirts are, so I think it's fair to say that what we're getting with KitMM is going to be equally as good. KitMM have given me a discount code, and that will be in the description of this video, MatthewCX. If you do that and put that in at checkout, you can save yourself some money. If anybody is interested in this shirt or any of the other shirts that I've reviewed on this website, please drop me a message, because they are, most of them are available. It just helps me then be able to fund more reviews like this. So yeah, please either message me on Instagram or drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you. If you have enjoyed this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. Do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. And there we go. Really enjoyed this one, so thank you very much for watching the leaked Chelsea 24-25 home shirt from kitmm.com. Details for the seller in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.